Hey, what up, good people? I am MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing these miracle knots. I personally love this viral style because it's so easy and convenient. I'm going to be using some human hair ocean wave crochet hair that I got from Amazon. I'm going to start off by cleaning the hair using this detox powder that I also got from Amazon. I basically have some warm water. I pour some of the powder into the water, mix it around, and submerge the hair into the water. I give the hair a good mix and I let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then I rinse the hair, put it on a hanger, and let it dry overnight. So now it's time to install the hair. As you can see, I've already done my individual braids in the front along with some cornrows in the back. This really does save some time. Now I'm just oiling my scalp before the install, which is extremely important. The oil I'm using is created by my young nieces. They have started their own business and I'm super proud of them. If you would like to support them, I will have their information listed in the description box below. Alright, so this is what the ocean wave crochet hair looks like once it's dried overnight. As you can see, the hair is attached to this knotless string for an easy application. Now I've already gotten started off camera because I kind of like to find my flow, but all I'm basically doing is all of the individual braids that I have, I'm just kind of combing out the end, and then I'm just attaching that string of the crochet hair into my braid and continuing to braid down. Once I braid down a few times, I just borrow some hair from one of the other legs and continue braiding down until I go past my natural hair. Once I braided past my natural hair, I take a small string of that hair, wrap it around my thumb to create a loop, pull the hair through that loop to create a small knot so that the hair doesn't unravel. Now I'm just going to repeat that process on another braid. So for me in my process, I kind of like to do this on each of the individual braids, just kind of add the hair to the ends of each braid. I'm trying to conserve the hair and make sure that I have enough to go all throughout my head. I was initially concerned that I might not have enough hair, so this was just my way of making sure I have full coverage. Okay, so this is what it looks like once I had the entire front section completed, only the ends of the front section. I'm going to go back through later and add more hair once I finish the back section. Again, I'm trying to make sure I have full coverage throughout my head. Now I'm just getting the hair in the front out of the way so that I can focus on crocheting in the back. Now this is a pretty standard crochet method with a little twist. So when I'm crocheting, normally you would pull both pieces of hair through the loop, but I'm only pulling one of the strands through the loop. From my research, I've learned that pulling one strand through makes for an easier takedown. Now, I'm sure pulling both strands through the loop, it's probably not that challenging, but I see an easier takedown with only pulling one strand through that loop. Alright, so this is what the back section looks like once I've added hair to all of the cornrows. There are a few gaps, but once I start adding hair to the front, it will cover those gaps easily. So for the front section, I'm going to be crocheting 2 additional strands of hair to each braid, one in the middle, and then I'll add another one towards the top of the braid. As you can see, I'm using the same method that I used in the back where I'm only pulling one of those strands of hair through that loop. Now keep in mind, I only bought 1 pack of this hair, which included the 2 bundles, so I was really trying to make this hair stretch. If you want a much fuller look, feel free to buy 2 packs. The 1 pack definitely gives it a more natural look versus the really full look. So this is what it looks like once I have all of the hair added. It's nice, it's lightweight, it's nice and flowy. And as you can see, it covered most of the gaps in the back once I added the hair in the front. Now I'm just trimming the ends for a cleaner look. This is such an easy, free-flowing style, and you still have a lot of styling options. Alright y'all, so let's get into my thoughts on this gorgeous hair. Like, this is probably one of the easiest and best crochet hair I've ever worked with. I haven't worked with that many human hair crochet, but I am loving this one. This is such a breeze, y'all. Look how my fingers just glide through the hair. Like the tangles where? No tangles. It's so soft. It's so free flowing. I love the ocean wave. It actually gives a little like wet and wavy look. And I did add a little bit of water just to make sure all of the curls were going in the right direction, in the same direction. But I didn't add any other products. You know how with the super curly human hair crochet, you got to add like a little product. You probably got to add some water, some mousse, and maybe like some curling cream to get the curls to really pop. But with this ocean wave, baby, you don't have to do any of that. Just a little water to make sure the curls are flowing nicely. That's it, y'all. So no, I don't have any complaints with this hair. I did use the entire pack. There were maybe about 4 to 6 individual braids up top that I was not able to put 2 strands of hair on that one braid. The goal was to get 2 strands on each individual braid, but it was about 4 to 6 that I was not able to do that, and I kind of did that in the back individual braids. But other than that, it was plenty of hair, or not plenty, but it was enough hair. Honestly, I was tempted to go back and get another pack just to be sure, but I'm glad I didn't have to do that. So alright, y'all, so that's really all I have. I'm not gonna hold you. Let me know your thoughts on this hair. Is this something that you would try? Of course, I will link all of the information down in the description box below, as I always do. So again, let me know what you think. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.